welcome to my online violin class. Today we will be talking about a very important topic, which is rhythm division. It applies to all the instruments, not only violin. So let's get started. Best example on how to count the beats is to think of very yummy pizza. What is this? It's our rhythm pizza. Now, pizza, this is our whole note, and a whole note has 4 beats. And if I divide our yummy pizza in half, I get 2 half notes. So I'm dividing whole note into 2 halves and getting 2 halves half note. And for half note, we count 2 beats. Now, if I keep going and I'll cut our yummy rhythm pizza, I'll get 4 quarters. And quarter note, really important in counting in music. We always kind of counting 1 for quarter note. Very popular kind of beat in music. So this is how you would a lot of the times have time signature. Let's say 4/4 means 4 quarter notes in one measure. It's a very common time signature. Now let's keep going. If we count it again, you get 8 notes. Yummy 8 notes are coming right up. We have 2 8th notes, and I have this beam that connects the 8th notes. So 8th notes will be twice as fast as quarter note. So if the quarter note is 1, 1, 1, 8th note will be 1 and 1 and 1 and. So we have 8 8th notes in one whole note. So it's much easier to count if we think of the pizza. It's like we're getting rid of more and more pizza with those slicing here. So if you want, again, you have huge party and you want to cut the pizza again. I'm not liking this sharing. So we would have 16 pieces and we would have 16 notes. And so this is called a 16 note. This has a double beam. This is how we recognize each rhythm. 16 notes are usually grouped in 4. You don't have to be grouped in 4, but they usually are. So this is 16 note, and if this is 4 beats, then this is 2, and this is 1, and this would be half, and this is right 1 quarter. Okay, so I'm going to write it like this. A little bit different mathematic numbers for you and signs. So we have different rhythm division. If you want to play half note, it's 1, 2, 3. Half note will be right here. Sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whole note will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter note 1, 1, 1, 1. 8th note 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 60 note would be. I usually tell students to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you can actually divide it even more. Believe it or not, we can divide that poor pizza even more. So you will get 32 second and then 64 second. This is a whole rest. So whole note equals whole rest, 4 beats. And that means we have 4 beats of silence. Now, half note is this rest, and that equals 2 beats. Quarter note, rest looks like that, and equals 1. 8th note, notice the single 8th notes has a little bit of a flag here. That's when we write single 8th notes. 8th rest looks a little bit like 7. So that's half of the beat. And then 16 note. And this is a 16th rest. So that's going to be 1/4 of the beat. Now, students sometimes have trouble recognizing the whole rests and 2 rests. So I always say that you can put more coins in the hat in this position than in this. And whole rest will be attached to the 4th line versus the the 2 will be attached to the 3rd line. Correct this right here. That's a different placement of the rest. If you like, subscribe to my videos and learn more, and good luck.